Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor in Louisiana. I'm happy to be coming back out. We're going to be doing a session in Lafayette on Thursday, October 29th. Here's the best part, the morning session. We have it certified for 3 hours of CE credit for Louisiana real estate agents. So join me for the Realtor's AI Playbook. I'm going to walk you through AI optimization for real estate, all these great amazing tools that you can use with Google AI to help build and grow your business, and then smarter business from AI with leads to loyalty. This is all going to help you to build your brand, but do it in an ethical manner to make sure you are helping your clients at optimum peak performance. Do not want to miss this. Take our in-house lunch break. We're going to come back at 12:30 for a 2-hour session, not CE certified, but still very, very beneficial for you. And this is $100K annually with Google Business Profile page. Everybody needs to have a Google page, and everybody needs to have a page set up correctly. And then you go in and optimize that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of that. The record for this class, I had an attendee add an extra $500,000 to the bottom line in 1 year for their business. You definitely do not want to miss this. Now, the best part on this, CE class is free to all of the RAA members. All you have to do is register here. We're going to be in Lafayette, and I look forward to seeing all of you very soon. Thank you.